If your Chevy Silverado flashes the service StabiliTrak and engine power reduced warnings, do not panic. Your truck just went into limp mode to protect the engine. You likely do not need a new transmission. This terrifying combination of warnings is almost always an airflow issue. The most common culprit is a dirty throttle body. When carbon builds up on the butterfly valve, the sensors get completely confused. The engine computer detects this incorrect airflow and instantly cuts your power. This triggers the StabiliTrak warning because the traction system relies on perfect engine data. Fixing this is incredibly simple and fast. First, disconnect your negative battery cable. This protects the electrical system while you work. It also forces the truck's computer to reset and clear the old codes. Locate your throttle body at the front of the engine bay. Remove the air intake tube to expose the throttle plate. You will likely see a thick ring of black carbon sludge inside the barrel. This heavy sludge is choking your engine and triggering the error codes. Spray a clean rag with dedicated throttle body cleaner. Wipe the inside of the barrel and the edges of the metal plate until perfectly clean. Never force the metal plate open with your fingers. Reattach your air intake tube and make sure the clamp is perfectly tight. A vacuum leak here will trigger the exact same warning lights again. Reconnect your negative battery cable and tighten it down securely. Start your truck and let it idle for a few minutes. The computer needs time to relearn the clean airflow. The StabiliTrak light will disappear, and your full engine power will be completely restored.